Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a perfect sirloin steak in a cast iron skillet. First, choose a thick, quality cut, about 1 1/2 inches. Make sure your steak is completely dry. This helps achieve that beautiful crust. Season it liberally with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on every surface, then let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. Place your cast iron skillet over high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until it is smoking slightly. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado, ensuring the pan is well coated. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot skillet. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, achieving a beautiful, dark brown crust. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a few cloves of smashed garlic, and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the skillet slightly and continuously baste the steak with the melted, aromatic butter. Continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches your desired doneness, for example, 125 degrees Fahrenheit for a delicious medium rare. Once your steak reaches the desired internal temperature, remove it from the skillet immediately and transfer it to a clean cutting board. Tent the steak loosely with aluminum foil. This keeps it warm without steaming the crust. Allowing it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes is crucial, as this process redistributes the juices evenly throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.